Good morning, everyone. I welcome you to today's lecture. My name is Dr. Abiola Olusegun, a Herbal medical practitioner in MB Holistic Care. Now, the topic we have to discuss today is the causes of damaged immune system and the things you can do to repair your damaged immune system. Now, what is the immune system? It is a system that prevents us from pathogens. It prevents us from pathogens and many other diseases. Pathogen is an organism that causes diseases. So our immune system prevents us from these pathogens. And they are made up of special organs, cells, and chemicals that fight infection. And naturally, our body is full of microbes. And these microbes only cause a problem if your immune system is weakened or if they manage to enter a normal sterile part of your body, like the brain. And there are many things that destroys our immune system and causes us diseases of all kinds, from pathogens to cancer and to autoimmune diseases. So our lifestyle changes is very, very important while trying to build strong immune system. Now let's look at 5 causes of low immunity. One is unhealthy diet and inflammation. This is just plain and simple. Unhealthy diet, a poor diet, creates nutritional deficiencies in which the person then becomes a walking toxin sponge where inflammation sets in. GMO grown foods, preservatives, packaged foods, and white sugar. These are an excitotoxin which offers no nutritional value. All of these are culprits to the problem. And an unhealthy diet causes inflammation, which can turn into chronic inflammation, and then a damaging rippling effect begins. Do you know that this leaky gut syndrome, inflammatory bowel disease, certain cancers, arthritis, heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, and asthma are all directly linked to chronic inflammation? So inflammation opens the door for a health crisis. It's all because inflammation creates the perfect environment for the immune system to begin to malfunction and fall apart. Then another one is unhealthy gut. If your gut is unhealthy, suffering from leaky gut syndrome is common. And 80% of your immune system comes directly from your gut. Therefore, a leaky gut is equal a weak immune system. And a strong, healthy gut equals the strong immune system. Leaky gut happens when the semi-permeable layer in your gut is compromised and allows toxins to enter your bloodstream. That's when the lining of the small intestine becomes damaged, causing undigested food particles, toxic waste products, and bacteria to leak through the intestines and flood the bloodstream. The most common symptoms of leaky gut are inflammation, fatigue, unsettled stomach, headaches, and a new allergic reaction to certain foods. Your digestive system and immune system are compromised when suffering from leaky gut syndrome. The ongoing flux of undigested food particles, as well as fungi, bacteria, and other waste from a leaky gut triggers a constant inflammatory response from the immune system. So this fatigues the immune system and maintains a pro-inflammatory environment inside the body. Although inflammation can become chronic and even cyclic, there are many natural approaches and remedies that can support our natural innate ability to heal. Then another one is stress. Stress suppresses our immune system. It causes your body to produce higher levels of the stress hormone, which is cortisol, and it decreases the body's lymphocytes, white blood cells that help fight off infection. The lower your lymphocyte level, the more at risk you are for viruses, including the common cold and cold sores. High stress levels also can cause depression and anxiety, and this leads to higher levels of inflammation. The hormones our body produces when it's stressed decrease your immune system response, as chronic stress creates a fight or flight response. Then stress affects the whole body, and this is how it can show up: anxiety, headaches, arthritis, hypertension, sleep disorders, lack of energy, type 2 diabetes, osteoporosis, brain fog, memory problems, weakened immune system. Then another one is toxicity skin. The liver processes toxins continuously, and some of them actually go right to the brain, and the immune system is keeping tabs on all this, fighting against pathogens, defending us daily to maintain homeostasis. Being exposed to toxins through medications prescribed and over the counter, altering your microbiome negatively, this impacts your immune system. For example, some acid blocking outbound medications decreases stomach acid and allow yeast and bacteria to overgrow, and this lower your immunity. Then radiation has come to stay with us. It has become common household element, and it is killing us severely. Mobile phones, laptops, TV sets, high cable tension wires, laboratory machines and so on. All of these are main sources of radiation. Radiation has serious effects on cells, more than most of toxins we have in the world today, and it causes cellular dehydration, which can easily cause chronic diseases like cancer, like rheumatoid arthritis, nervous illnesses, etc. So it might be almost impossible to avoid all the above causes of low immune system. So let's try our best to improve our lifestyle choices and make sure you support your immune system always, either through diet, through exercise, early morning sun, reducing radiation exposure, having sound sleep. Make sure you improve your lifestyle choices. And in most cases, you will need a remedy like immune booster, like these products. This is immune booster. In most cases, you will need it to support your immune system. Even when you are treating infections, you still need to support it with immune booster. Whenever we are treating our patients with infection, we support it with immune booster. And even at this time of pandemic, when you have a strong immune system, it goes a long way. It will help you a lot. Viruses will have no chance in your body. And people with HIV needs to boost their immune system more. Immune booster is not for curing a specific disease, but once you have a good immune system, you can be rest assured about good health to a reasonable extent. Children need it more. Elderly people need it more. Infections, viruses, autoimmune diseases, and so on can be treated and prevented by it. So when your immune system is strong, there is no way for virus. Then, during an international conference recently, someone asked a speaker who delivered a lecture on COVID-19 that why is it not spreading seriously in African countries, even without nose mask, social distance, and so on. But in European countries, it is spreading seriously, and a few countries are locking down already. The person delivering the lecture answered that Africans are endowed with good immunity against pathogens, and a few who are having immunity problems are probably eating like Europeans. That is why we are always saying that you should improve your immune system. We are always concentrating on diet. It goes a long way in improving your immune system. And another African doctor added, Africans are abandoning certain traditions, and it is affecting their health. In a typical African home, in every morning you see a certain herbal medicine pot is always on fire, and everybody will drink some of the herbal decoction before meal. But we have replaced all that with chemical beverages. He added that in those eras, no cancer in Africa. It is very, very rare. No fibroid, no infertility, no prostate problem. All those are very, very rare. Men marry many wives and still perform till old age. But we have changed our kitchen to European settings, and this is having serious effects on our health. So that is why we should always make sure that we are taking balanced diet. Let's change our lifestyle. Let's work seriously on it. And I also want to implore us, please, if you live in a large compound and share things with neighbors, just make sure you take care of your own health. Keep boosting your immune system, because when it comes to coronavirus, we are on our own. So it is better you boost your immune system. You take herbal remedies, support it with immune booster. Boost your immune system. Eat healthy. Not only eating well, you eat healthy. It goes a long way. I am sure when we follow all this, our immune system will be strong. Even when you come in contact with someone that have any bacteria, any disease sort of, if your immune system is strong, it will help you. So boost your immune system. Keep boosting it. This is the end of our lecture today. And please don't forget to share this lecture. Just keep sharing. And also follow us on our other social media handles. Instagram is at MB_holistic_care. On Twitter at CareMB. YouTube MB Holistic Care. And our website is www.mbholistichealthcare.com.ng. You can get these products on our website also. And you can also send us a message if you have any question concerning what we have discussed today. You can either send us a message on Facebook, we'll reply you as soon as we see it, or you send us a message through our email address mbholisticcare2020@gmail.com or info@mbholistichealthcare.com.ng. And if you want to speak with a doctor, you can contact us on 081-0460-7130. Thanks for joining us. See you next week.